From kilowatt-hours to megawatt-hours, Poinovel delivers mobile energy storage solutions across multiple power classes, tailored for diverse commercial and industrial applications. The smallest model is compact. The largest, significantly more powerful, yet just as flexible. All models support parallel expansion to increase capacity. Check the quick specs in the table. Not sure which capacity fits your project? Contact us with Capacity Plus monthly energy usage, and we'll send you a free sizing recommendation.